Perfect.
Hey guys, good morning. If my face still crusty, it's because my baby wake up good. You know what I mean? Marla's at school and a girl does out here wash. What you know about that? What you know about that? What you know about none of that? Someone does out here wash. And I'm about to go film. Then let me say, yo, I need to max out on the amount of videos that yo, the rain are coming up, guys. I need to max out on the amount of videos that I'm filming. So I was like, yo, why don't I just do a vlog today? Even though I have 2 vlogs on my laptop when I edit it. But I'm just like, you know, the more content, the merrier. So I'm gonna wash out the mirror fast before the rain come down. Take up them there because them they're supposed to dry. And then I'm gonna get ready for film. Today I'll be filming a makeup tutorial, like a makeup on here video. And I'll be filming a playlist video as well. Focus? Yeah. And I'll be filming a playlist video as well. I don't know what else I'm gonna film, but my battery packs weren't charged for some reason. I don't know why. So I'm gonna have to plug it in and then I say, oh, I'm gonna wash. So anyways, that's the backstory behind all of this. I have my kinky twist in. And I'm gonna be doing like a updo with these. So yeah. I'm gonna check in when I'm done wash and I get ready for go film. It is falling. It's really raining, guys. I'm gonna not even get fitting out my clothes them. Jaja. Bruh. You know who never gets saved or almost never save the clothes them? Jesus Christ. It is pouring down. Barely got to save the clothes on the line. But I'm still gonna get ready for film. Because the show must go on, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna get ready for film, but I don't know how I'm gonna figure out how to hang out them something here right now. Probably if I just go in the rain and hang them out. But that's smart because the lightning has been doing the most lately. I don't know why. So I'm gonna just wait a bit until it dry and then I go hang them out because bruh, it's rough. It's really rough. But yeah. Alright guys, so I have my contacts in. I'm finally about to film. And this cold still beat me. But I've done like a little bit of a setup. Outside cloudy, the rain just don't fall again. But I'll be filming right now a fall inspired makeup look. Yeah, I have my ring lights out. Let me show you guys. I have my ring light right there that I'm using for the first time I film with a ring light here, and I'm also filming with of course I use my camera. Yeah, so that's my little setup. But if you guys have not seen the video with, you know, the details about these contacts, because sometimes I just can't believe them. I have them for so long and they're still just really good to me. It's just that every now and then my eyes get really irritated from these contacts. Well, just overall with anything in my eye, because I naturally wear glasses, and I know this is not a good practice, guys, to like neglect your eye health. But I'll be doing better, I promise. And you guys are seeing me with short nails for like the first in a very long time. I'm starting to feel them short now. So my next set I'm going to get on Friday, white, with and polish my toes white. So, but anyways, yeah, well, I'm about to go film. I'm just praying to God that the makeup tutorial comes out exactly how I want it, because I'm really feeling like a grungy fall, plum tones, like bold ass lip kind of vibe, copper. I feel them kind of fall vibes there. So like that's what I want to do. So I'm going to do also a hair tutorial. I told you guys this morning. So yeah. And before I even forget, today is Tuesday. I need to say that in every vlog so I can't remember. Today is Tuesday, yeah. Alright, cool. Guys, I am so pissed off. It's raining. So it's a bit apart from me not having good lighting to film. My camera battery has died. And the other batteries, the spare batteries, are not charging for some reason. And I don't know why. And I'm pissed. I'm not even able to complete the goddamn look that I started. And this rain not done for now, because I look outside and outside look critical right now. I don't even know what to do. I don't know if my day of filming is going to go to waste with my hair and just like everything. This pisses me off. I wish I had a filming room. I wish I had it like that, to have a filming room, a room where I just go into and film, and then I just leave all the shit in there and then just come out. When I have to film a video for you guys, like I go through a lot of shiz. Let me just get that. Like I really go through a whole freaking lot to film. To make content, to put the shit on camera takes a lot out of me. I'm not turning this into a rant, I promise. I'm just upset, yo. Like, I started doing so much. And this is why it's so hard to put out content, because content on a boy for put out, you know? Like, you go through a lot, and I'm trying to get my play button. Me, I try. That's what my goal is, at least. For having been on YouTube since 2012. I need my play button now. I really do. And I've been trying to put in the work, but life and everything else is just like, no bitch. But I'm going to try to use one of the spare batteries and see if it will work. Because I don't understand why they're not charged, and I'm just so pissed right now, to be honest. But if this tutorial makes it, you guys will see it. If it doesn't, you guys won't see it. But it's pretty nice, and it's not even done. Yeah. Look who's home. Say hi.
Hi.
I don't know what you're saying. Guys, I'm done filming and I'm cleaning up the stuff now. I tried filming 2 videos and I didn't even have time to finish filming the second one. But I want to go cook now. What? Come here. Stop. How was your day? How was your day, babe? You have a good day today? Come here, Marley. Mar. Come here now. Hey. Namala, I feel like Dulcita with a lipstick.
Hi.
Come here. How was your day today? How was your day? Was it good? Was it good? Did you have a good day?
Wait.
Goodbye.
Bye.
No. She love extra things. Can you put these in the garbage for me? Put them in the garbage for me and come back. Put them in the garbage and come back, please. Go on, this too.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you, baby. Yes, I'm gonna finish clean off all of this, wash my face, and then go and cook. I don't know how I'm gonna cook it, but by now it's getting dark outside. What time now? It's like I can't see it because the camera is oh shoot. Yeah, I can't really see what time it is, but it's like probably about to 5 or after 5. No lies, it's after 5 because Marla come home like a little after 5, so it's probably to 6 now, if not 6 o'clock, and it's getting dark. So I don't know when this vlog is going to go up, if it's going to go up before or after, but I'm having a Q&A on Friday. I'm filming a Q&A. If I get asked enough questions, I will film it on Friday, but I'm not sure if this video is going to be posted before then. I'm going to try to post a video tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Marla has swim lessons tomorrow, so, and I also should be starting my swim lessons tomorrow as well because I can't swim, guys. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow then.
What about my face in? Because so cute.
I like it.
That's why I love it. It bring out the Rastafari in me. Very weird, no? You don't tell me you don't got beer wrap me, so wrap my head when I go to college. I'm fine. Lord Jesus, white people in this race and me a Rasta. Everywhere. I'm going to Germany.
Melissa, thank you for coming in. Did I have a choice? Please have a seat. Look, I already told you everything. Just cut to the chase. You clearly have an agenda. Well, we found a 5150 on your record. 3 years ago, you broke into your ex-boyfriend's home, and when you woke up, you were standing over. What are you doing here?
New job.
Really, you just chose LA out of all the cities in the world?
What's the part there?
I just can't help thinking
There
like
is
this.
nothing more you could have done. All that matters now is that Kara makes it.
Well, she has to. When she wakes up, we're gonna have a wedding, right, Terry?
Hey guys, it's Saturday. I have not picked up this phone and vlogged in a long time. I missed a couple days in the vlog, so this vlog is of course going to be choppy, but hopefully I can put it back together so that it, you know, you guys don't miss that much. Ooh, I have 3 people today. I just finished my first one probably like an hour ago, or a little over an hour. I have somebody else at 1 and then somebody at 2:30, 2 o'clock. I don't know, I'm bored as hell right now. I'm out for drop asleep, but it's 1 o'clock now. I finished the first person very, very early. I'm here on Instagram scrolling through trying to find some inspiration because I want to edit tonight. I have a couple videos for you guys that I've been had, to be honest, but I just not have time to edit them. There's my baby. It's not raining today, it's cloudy though. So no rain, probably soon start fall. But I'm just waiting on my client. She's doing a touch up. I'll just attach stuff from today, Thursday night. I went and I got my nails done. I hate getting my nails done in the night because it's not clean. It's not 100% of a clean job. Like as you guys can see, like around my cuticle area, it's not the neatest. And I'm always like, there's red nail polish here from like the last job. It's never clean when I go at night. But I don't really care. So I'm, you know, rocking a different shade for the first time. I'm trying this. I don't know how I feel about it yet, but I really know I wanted white nails and I got white on my toes as well. And I'm in between styles right now. I want to do something cute. But I don't know what. I want to put my locks back in, but at the same time I don't, because I want to do something different. But yeah, I'm gonna stay away, guys. I'm just waiting. Guys, this is just a perk of being able to work from home. Ooh.
That me like, know me up in life, hotter than a pepper light. Room full of shows, living in the step of life. Who a semi flop seats, and me get the hype. Brand new girls, yeah, me get a better type. But at the same old vibes, them carry stress alike. But me nah left, don't know me give them every right. Out of all, me carry one home each and every night. If you get bad mind, try to live a happy life. If you get a touch, then you better try tap it right. No make she have a sloppy night. Make she ball, then turn out the life with happy night. If she self is stop, do it more, cause that is right. If she try to fight, give her time or something for up, no appetite. After that, she drop it right on any cocky pint. Sure, I love and you might turn yourself another night. Do what me want, yeah, because of that me like. Know me up in life, hotter than a pepper light. Room full of shoes, living in the step of life. Who a semi flop seats, and me get the hype. Brand new girls, yeah, me get a better type. But at the same old vibes, them carry stress alike. But me nah left, don't know me give them every right. Out of all, me carry one home each and every night. Them say me very hype, oh you fi blame me. After every night, when you a party, every line when me write, I fi vice, weed, I fi bun, knock is there vibes, I fi right, yeah. So when you see light, no running night. When you're there when we are work, if you be eyes. 3 night, 3 flight, pretty light, money made, touch yard, real vibes coming. Do what me want, yeah, because of that me like. Know me up in life, hotter than a pepper light. Room full of shoes, living in the step of life. Who a semi flop seats, and me get the hype. Brand new girls, yeah, me get a better type. But at the same old vibes, them carry stress alike. But me nah left, don't know me give them every right. Out of all, me carry one for me and every night.
My face looks so. Hey guys, good morning. I am on hold with Scotia for the past 5 minutes. I'm trying to get something sorted out. I went to Cherries in Kingston Friday. Oh God. I don't know if you guys can hear, but I went to Cherries on Friday, and I bought some hair, and them card machine never did work, and I saw the deduction online. Hello? Yes, good afternoon. I'm trying to get something sorted out. I'm back on hold, guys. This shit is annoying. So I purchased some here at Cherries, and my card, when I swiped my card, I saw the deduction, but they didn't see it, or the machine never did a work or whatever, but the money still come off. So I'm trying to call Scotia now to get it sorted out. I had my morning client. I have 3 people today, so I'll be working until 10. So I'm currently waiting on the second person, but in the midst of this, I'm going to try to get something to eat. And I keep forgetting that I'm vlogging. Yes. LaToya.
I got all this money, so I know you won't expect this. Running on the low, but I know that you're interested. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
AFIS has a match from background check. Prince belonged to a banker.
Let me guess. Larry Myers.
Dad,
You okay?
come sleep. I want to watch TV.
Tell you what. You want to sleep with your mom and me?
The stalker never appears on camera in any of the footage.
Did Larry admit to an accomplice? No, his lawyer shut me down. Jack's trying to bring his wife.
You knew he was having an affair.
Baby, let me. I did it again, so I'm gonna let go. Oh my God. You make me wanna.
Hey guys, it's night, so good night. I did not close out the vlog, so this is me attempting to close out the vlog. I have on my do-rag. I have some cornrows under this because I really am just not even in the mood to do my hair. I don't know exactly what to do to it, and I plan to put in back my locks, but I really want to try like burgundy, like full burgundy locks. That would be so cool. But I literally look like a boy. Yo, I literally look like a boy. But Marla's here eating chips. You want to say hi? Say hi. Yes, the shot eats our dots. But I really just wanted to close out the vlog. That's all this clip is about. Lately I've wanted to vlog, like I want to, but there isn't really much to show you guys. I'm going to try to do some editing tonight and see if I can get some videos up and out on the channel, because I wouldn't say I've been procrastinating. It's just been a bit of a challenge, right baby? Oh, my ear itching on my earring. Look at her face. Can I have some? Ever come up? Up. Thank you. Oh, I haven't been procrastinating, but I just have not had the time. And then I had one person today. You guys know I always have at least two, so I think I'm gonna use tonight to do some editing. I got some rest today, you know, not drastically a lot because I'm really tired. Last night I didn't stop working until like after 10. So yeah, I just wanted to close out the vlog. Tell you guys thanks for continuing to like watch and stuff. Yeah. Ooh, can I have some again? These chips are good. Thank you. Marla. Yeah, my chest is hot, man. Oh yeah, eat this. She loves spicy things. That's hot. Feel proud of yourself? Huh? You feel proud? Yes? As I was saying, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for commenting, and thanks for checking in with me, checking if I'm good and all of that. A lot of you guys are like that, and I really appreciate it. It is my ultimate goal just to be more consistent. I swear, I promise to you. Yes, baby? Water? Alright, my baby want water. But I promise you guys, more content is coming. I have so many things up here, but no time to actually do it. So I'm just working on a personal schedule that I can be able to deliver, you know, to you guys, because I have a lot of unedited videos. It's not even funny at this point. Makeup tutorials, hair tutorial, vlogs. I wonder if I should get an editor, but I'm so particular. It's not even funny. I have a vlog from when I was piercing my tragus. Like, there's a lot that I did not post. But I'm going to get around to posting it. You guys probably just see them one back or one another like that. But in the meantime, I really do want to see what you guys have to say. Also, underneath this video, yes? Come on. Underneath this video, I'm gonna tell you guys no. I will be filming my first Q&A soon. It should have been from last week Friday. Today is Tuesday. I did not get to. I'll be filming a Q&A. I want you guys to drop me some questions down below this video. No, if you guys make it to the end of this vlog, then you will know I'm having a Q&A that I will be filming soon, and I want some questions from you guys so I can answer those questions in the video. There are no limits to the questions. Ask anything you want and I will just say the question and say a name, or if you want to be anonymous or whatever, you can let me know. You can either DM it to me on Instagram, or you can comment under this video your question, or you can send me an email. My info will be down in the description bar below. Anything that you want my opinion on, anything at all, and I will definitely I'm getting a call, hold on. Yeah guys, I was getting a call. So as I was saying, drop me your questions, ask me anything you want to ask. No limits. Email it, DM it, or comment it below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until next time, bye. Mwah. Bye. 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 Bye guys.